All right, we're doing a day in the life at Sam's Trucks. Today, we got this Dodge put back together. We're doing the HVAC box on it, which was a lot of fun, right, Justin? No, not fun at all. We're doing a bunch of stuff. Anyways, we got to get it out. We don't really feel like talking about this. We're bringing in a Dodge, I believe it was a 3500, like a 2006. We're doing a clutch replacement, and then we're going to pick up a car that I bought, which I'm going to be doing more videos on with Justin here. We're going to push this thing out. We don't have any brakes. We don't have anything right now hooked up. So we're just going to hope it just goes. All right, we're going to cold start this 550 here. I love cold starting stuff. It's like one of my main things I like about winter.
I don't think the truck likes it.
That's pretty stuck. Justin, show us how you can pull the whole truck. Got her out. Okay, let's push this thing out. Remember, we don't have any brakes, so hopefully it doesn't ram my 550 and wreck the front end. But we'll just go really slow. We almost lost the truck, right? We were getting a little panic.
No, we didn't.
We were getting a little panic. I would. All right, Justin's getting the hoist set up. We're gonna lift this thing up. We're gonna be pulling the transmission back, pulling the clutch out. I think it's got a dual disc that's going in it. I personally don't like these clutches because they whine. They make a lot of noise. They're really strong, but for a stock truck like this, well, pretty much stock, not really my favorite thing. But anyways, we're gonna get it up in the air, pull that back, and start hammering down. Justin's taking the boot off there, and I just destroyed my thumbnail. So now we're going to lift the truck, pull the drive shafts, then we're going to have to slide the transmission and the transfer case back about a foot, and then we'll be able to get the clutch and everything. So let's go. So by sheer force of strength, Justin and me got this clutch and flywheel out of the truck up there. Justin's just finishing taking off the front drive shaft. And then we're gonna drop the cross member and pull the transmission back. We're gonna have to pull the starter out, I think. Possibly, we might be able to get away without not pulling the starter. And yeah, hopefully it all goes well. No one's hurt yet. Okay, so we'll look up in here. I'll teach you guys something, not that it's not obvious. Do you hear that? That is not how a bearing should sound. That's what he's hearing because there's grinding noise. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this all apart and we're gonna clean that whole cavity out really nice. And since Justin's the perfect height for it, he's gonna be the one that's doing that. Tough, look at that. You got the mullet, got the torque wrench, got the bib overalls. So we're gonna continue on here, bolting all this together, and then after we get this all back together, we're gonna go and pick up our latest project. Okay, so today took a turn. Everything's just going to crap. We got the clutch all together and flywheel bolted to the truck and everything, but the problem is Southbend sent the wrong clutch. They sent it for a 03 truck which has the NV 5600, and this truck has the G56, and it's very close to the same, but the thing is flywheel on the G56 sits a little bit farther out from the crankshaft, and the problem we're having is the starter is currently engaged with the flywheel. So I'm really glad we didn't bolt this thing all up, because that would have been really bad. Subscribe, and we're on our way now to pick up this car. Justin's just hooking up this trailer, and then we'll be on our way. Justin driving the 550. You know those days when everything just goes bad and you just feel like you're chasing your tail and chasing time? Today's one of those days, right, Justin?
Right.
We're at the point we're about to put it back together, and then we find out it's the wrong part. But at least we get to end the day with a coffee and going to pick up another project car we probably don't need. Because listen, everyone out there on YouTube, we want to make more YouTube videos, so we need you to watch our videos and like our content, right?
Yep, even if it sucks.
Even if it sucks, because that, you know, we want to have fun and make money just like everyone else. Right? I've been a little bit short today, and I'm honestly surprised Justin hasn't punched me, because I kind of was putting him in danger under a transmission. And yeah, sorry.
Minor details.
Minor details, okay. Looking at Justin, what I'm just gonna ask here, and you can comment below, and then Justin's not gonna answer till the next video, but what type of car do you think Justin owns?
There's one hit. Look at the hair.
Yeah, look at the hair. Also, I just ordered some new hats, the black ones, because I think people like the black ones better than the blue and white ones. The blue and white ones are cool, but they get dirty if you're wrenching, and I hope you are wrenching. And let us know if you like these types of videos when we're just goofing around, because just feel like my whole life's just constant gong show, and now Justin's joining in, so he gets to see. Okay, so we're going to look at a new project, and this probably isn't the best decision, but hey, we gotta have that YouTube content, you know what I'm saying? And I'm pretty excited. I've been looking for something like this for a while, and it's actually just 15 minutes outside of town, so we're gonna go look at it. So we'll see you guys when we get there. Okay, so we're here with Wyatt, and he's the owner of this beautiful car here we're looking at, which I'll show you guys more in a second. And he drug this out of the bush, brought it back home, and revived it, which I think is amazing. And he's 10 years old. He's gonna be farther ahead than every other 10-year-old his age. Tell us about this car a little bit.
The 1965 Ford Custom 500. It has a dent here.
Yeah.
Needs some seats.
Yeah.
Watch the little bus down in the water.
Yep.
There's a car. More rust in that one.
Yep.
Solid all the way over.
Needs a carb, and it needs valve adjustment.
And possibly an engine clean.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, I would recommend cleaning that radiator or getting a new one.
Yeah.
It's filled with mouse poop, because this was missing that fitting.
Oh, the radiator. Oh, yep. So it might need a new radiator.
It was right off highway too, so it got a water parts got sealed off.
Oh, people stole it as they went.
Yeah. So it
Well,
was missing some parts when I got it.
I have to buy it. Like you're this close, and I think it's so cool, man, that you got this thing running. So the plan with this thing is to hot rod it out, lay it on the ground. I've never done airbags before, but we're gonna try. Hopefully it all works out good, and my wife is okay with that. Well, thank you, Wyatt. Thanks for letting me come look at it today, and we'll be back tomorrow to pick it up, and then we'll get it back in the shop. So we got them paid up. Take my hand down. And we're gonna load her on the trailer now, and yeah, I don't know what it is.
Son doesn't know how to drive 3 on the tree.
I actually don't. Alright guys, so we're driving back here, and Justin and me are trying to find names for this car. You know, I thought of the Death Sled or Gretchen. It's kind of an ugly unit, but it's pretty gangster. Justin, give us another name real quick.
It's an old Ford.
Henry.
Henry?
If you have an idea, put it in the comments for me. Yeah, so Justin here just ripped this off here. We're gonna clean that up, put it back together, try and get the box looking half decent, and wait for the new one to come in, which will probably be Thursday. And what were you sketched out about all day?
Transmission jack.
thought the transmission was gonna fall on us. Well, it definitely could have. Yeah. Look, we've got some 2x4s shimming it up. Oh. It literally takes a second to like this video, and if you like it, it gets us up on the liked or the algorithm or whatever. And leave a comment too. Tell us what the name is that you want on the car. And have a good day, guys, because we're having a good one.